Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Construction Guru. My name is Nadeem and today in this video we will see what are the things we need to check before buying cement. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest video notification. Come on now, let's get started. Cement is perhaps the most important construction material that is widely used in modern construction. Cement is generally deployed to prepare concrete and mortar, which are used to make RCC frame structures. The binding properties in cement facilitate it to easily mix with aggregates and form a homogeneous mixture, which hardens to give a stone-like strength. The strength and durability of the structure are mainly dependent on the strength of cement. So it becomes very crucial to know all the details about the cement. Hence, what to check before buying cement? You must check the information that is printed on the standard cement bag. Here are some of the points to check on the cement bag at the time of purchasing or receiving cement bags to ensure that the quality is maintained. The first point is properly read the manufacturer's name and their registered trademark. If the trademark and the name is not properly printed or there is any spelling mistake, then the cement bag may be a duplicate version. The ISI mark should be printed on the cement bag in black or red color. The ISI mark confirms that the cement packed in the bag has fulfilled every requirement of the specifications. The third point says the grade and type of cement is an important point to check on the cement bag. Over here, you can see it is written Portland Pozzolana Cement, fly ash based. Hence, this is giving a clear indication that it is a PPC, but sometimes the manufacturers don't write this. Instead, they will just write the IS code for the particular cement. I will be covering this in the point number 10. Now the point number 4 says the net weight of cement in kilogram, that is 50 kg, must be mentioned on the cement bag. The point number 5 says check the brand of cement. It is important that the cement is of a reputed brand. One must also check the cut sheet, also known as the specification sheet provided by the brand, to gain an understanding regarding the technical details of the product. Point number 6 says MRP, that is a maximum retail price. It is an important point to check on the cement bag. The retailer or the seller can fool us by selling the cement bag at a higher price than the MRP. Hence, checking the MRP before buying the cement bag will help the consumer to avoid any kind of fraud. Point number 7. Use no hook or equivalent symbol is printed on the cement bag. The point number 8. The batch or control unit number is a term of week, month and year of packaging must be mentioned on the cement bag. It is advisable to use a cement bag which is recently packed, usually less than 3 months. And the point number 9 says the address of the manufacturer must be mentioned on the bag to facilitate contacting him for further inquiries. Point number 10, which is very important, particular IS code number should be printed on the cement bag. That is, if you have ordered OPC 33 grade cement, then IS 269 should be printed on the cement bag. If you have ordered OPC 43 grade cement, then IS 8112 should be printed on the bag. If you have ordered OPC 53 grade, then IS 12269 should be printed on the bag. And if you have ordered Portland Pozzolana Cement, that is PPC, then IS 1489 should be printed on the cement bag. If the aforementioned points are mentioned on the cement bag prior to purchasing it, this will ensure that the cement bags are from a reputed manufacturer, their quality is standardized, and chances of to lose the customer are minimized or nullified. After buying cement bags, it is critical to properly store them and use them within few days. I hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends and colleagues so that even they get benefited by the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for latest video updates. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.